This 2023 K-Z Sportsmen SE 301DB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new K-Z is 32 feet 10 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 8, spare tire kit, LP detector, awning, water heater, leveling jacks, oven, external shower, stove-top burner, slide-out, Colorado detector, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, front kitchen, front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear dinette, 2 bedrooms, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2023 K-Z Sportsmen SE 301DB is 5,920 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.